part of the Caledonia cheer team, and cheer empowers me to try hard no matter what.
I'm a part of Legion Student Council, and I am also a member of the Caledonia Dive team. And these things empower me by forcing me to step out of my comfort zone and really just to be around other people that really are positive, and it also helps me help other people as well.
I'm a part of the FFA, and FFA has empowered me to communicate. I have learned how to network throughout the ag industry, and it's helped me gain a lot of confidence.
I'm part of DECA, which is a club here that helps you improve your business skills. DECA empowers me to work hard and go out of my comfort zone, talking to different types of people and in different environments.
I'm in art, and it empowers me to speak my mind and express myself freely.
Being class president is empowering because it's allowed me to grow as a leader and try new things.
Being a part of the band program empowers me to be able to experience things that otherwise wouldn't have been able to. Whether it's playing a solo in front of a band or having to memorize the entire marching show, band gives me an outlet where I can just be myself and be around others who accept me as who I am.
I'm a part of the Be Nice leadership, and this program has helped me empower others through mental health awareness.
I'm a part of the swim team for the high school, and swimming empowers me just to help those who feel like they aren't good enough to swim, but I'm always there to encourage people to swim as fast as possible. And to all my swim friends out there, gas up!